old song. There is a video of this online. You gotta double step. Go. 4, 4, 3, 2. Double, double. Go. 4 back. Come on, let's go.
Introducing, seducing your mind, making a line like Wall Stallion. Take shadow, the one-man battalion, retaliate. Never hesitate to break a home, cause it's either you or him with the hole inside your dome. I am known to be a pain inflictor. 380 chrome in your mouth, get the picture. I hit you like Chavez. The job is well done when I'm through. Why would you even?
It is like we're roller skating.
On a mission, putting 619 up on the map, blowing up like Oklahoma.
Except I was always on the ground, but that's okay.
Collapse like the wall of Berlin when I enter. Down to the end of my
do it again.
Represent the Southern California, home of real soldiers.
Ashley, we're gonna start off strong with these legs. Shake your hips.
Everybody in the hood, throw your hands up in the sky. Represent where you're from, cause it's
bring them down. Release your hands, use your hips.
Everybody in the hood, throw your hands up in the sky.
Oh, it's terrible.
Sink
Sink your butt down. Now you're gonna give me a little walk. Here we go. Swirl. Take it back. Swirl your hips. Gotta fix my pants. Take it back. Last time. Woo. Double step. Here we go.
I'm ready to take on any battle. I'll show you that I rock from San Diego to Seattle. I'm fatal like a rattle. Can you handle all this drama? Now I'm in your ghetto. I'm the rapping Jeffrey Dahmer. I'ma give it to you raw, cause this shadow's so notorious. Every battle that I'm in, I'm victorious. To the point of no return, unloading lyrics like a clip. Bound to spit like
one day I may learn all the words. Oh crap. I screwed it up. We should start over, right? With extra squats? Feet apart, shake your hips.
Everybody in the hood, throw your hands up in the sky. Represent where you're from, cause it's
bend it down.
It is I, Mr. Shadow on the rise with the
squat. Step it forward, go.
As I bust through the door when I drop another flow. Third verse now in progress. Convicts be the Congress.
Can you give me that level change? Here we go. Go up and down. Up and down.
So watch when I shoot, cause the fools be getting kicked with
my pants are sliding down my body. That's slick material. Double double.
I'm down for the finest in the states. In the west is where I dwell. Fools get your story straight. I be great like Alexander. My words are holy like Evander. And when I get up on the mic, it's so tight.
What's he saying? Oh, not yet. It's coming. Oh, this is the part that Joe was gonna sing for us tonight. I'll rewind. Here we go.
Everybody in the hood, throw your hands up in the sky. Represent where you're from, cause it's Diego till I die. It is I, Mr. Shadow on the rise with this gangster hit. I don't plan to quit till I
tilt to the legs.
Everybody in the hood, throw your hands up in the sky. Represent where you're from, cause it's Diego
booty straight down.
It is I, Mr. Shadow on the rise with this gangster hit. I don't plan to quit till I
bring it up.
So now you know that I'm still up in the mix. Watch your back, cause I'm right behind you.
We out.
In the map.